Hi friends, this is the second part of Capture Financial Vultures. In my research, what I have found, a typical position of white collar criminals who work very professionally. As per the research taken by myself, uh, two factors are usually considered: psychological and personality of the fraudster. Number one, the biological qualities of an individual which vary widely and influence behavior, including social behavior. Number second, the social qualities that are derived from and in turn shape how the individual deals with other people. Now, the idea is very simple. There are two kind of white collar criminals, what I have analyzed in my experience. One is situation based criminal and other is calculating based criminal. That is all which comes under white collar crimes. Now, the calculating based criminal is a predator who is an offender by birth. He keeps on repeating crimes, especially very calculated crimes. The situation based criminal is usually not harmful, but he do crimes for himself, for his family, or for the company. Now, few findings are there in my research. The typical white collar criminal, the points to be noted. Now, white collar criminals are usually 30 plus years of age. Number second, 55% male and 45% female. Number third, which has been found, an appearance of a stable family situation. Number fourth, above average education, that you can say they are professionals, above postgraduates, especially in the field of finance, who are an expert. Less likely to have a criminal record, good psychological health, position of trust, detailed knowledge of accounting system and their weaknesses, and of course, prior accounting experience. Now, these findings I have shared with you, which I have done after making a research with, taking sample of more than 20 multinational companies. Usually it has been found that at one system, these criminals have a tendency to achieve, or to grab enormous wealth in a very short period of time, or getting like to be succeeded in a very short span of time after seeing the lifestyle of, the richest. Now, these tendencies are to be watched very carefully in your society. Now, what happens that with these intentions, the recent changes which you are seeing in the Indian economy, especially after demonetization, it has been grabbing India for the last 30 to 40 years. And even my experience says that in 1991, when India has been exposed to the privatization, when SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, has been enacted, the stock market has boomed during Harshad Mehta time. Then we can call it that there is a lot of development in the Indian economy, Indian stock market. The paying capacity of a people has risen. But simultaneously, when we see the growth or economic growth in our country, you see the simultaneous increase in the economic crime. Now, this is the right time to see that we can eradicate economic crime, we control, detect. But again, I'll tell you that training is required, and my sincere appeal is to join my mission to capture financial vultures. Training is important. Getting a detailed training in forensic accounting, forensic audit, forensic finance is must. How to save our country from these perpetrators, from these white collar criminals, it is very important. Because I tell you that 5 to 6% of the houses, the business houses, are controlling the entire Indian economy. And when my sincere appeal is that when we are moving ahead to a cashless economy, which is a good thing, of course, which is a good thing, but we have to be on a safer side. So be watchful, and you'll wait for my third video lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.